Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Welcome to Morning Thoughts again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Big up to everybody going out to work this morning, everybody coming in from work this morning. Big up to all the entrepreneurs on your grind, all the retirees that's chilling. You don't have to do that 9 to 5, 5 to 9 grind no more. We hope to get there one day too. Comfortably though. What we've come to talk about this morning, it's never fun to talk about this topic, but let me start off like this. We were recently down in Miami and we ran into a subscriber to the channel, and the subscriber said he used to like SouFLoTV when I was back in the room that echoed and the flag was hanging on the wall. Obviously, that's about 2 years ago, right? So I asked him, I said, why don't you like SouFLoTV anymore? Like, what changed? He said, I still like it, but it's not the same. It's not the same energy. It's not the same energy because of what? I asked. And he said it's not the same energy because... Alright, let me tell you why I don't like it no more. That's what he said. I don't like it no more because you spend too much time defending yourself. Now, if people care about you, they're not offended when you defend yourself. If anything, they help you to defend yourself. Right? So I just chalk it up to, he's probably one of them people that get on the channel, thumbs down everything, suck your mother talk and all that, and then when you meet them in person, they pretend to be good, but they just don't like the direction of your channel kind of thing. Anyways, yeah, then he went over to wifey and was telling Brains about, and your channel now, I like your channel now, let me tell you how your channel helped me. And started talking about when she was doing bleaching videos. See babe there? She never did a bleaching video ever, because we don't support skin bleaching. You know what I'm saying? But
he said when we do video, when I did videos to tone up
the skin.
I don't know what the hell he's
and he over here talking about his body is a different color from his face, so he has to tone up. So I jumped in, I said, oh, so yeah, bleach. Yeah. He said, no, you put words in my mouth. Don't put words in my mouth. Don't put words in my mouth.
Bruh.
It's tone up. It's not bleaching. It's two different things. And I'm not bleaching. Like, they're delusional as hell. But segue into this though. A video came out yesterday with Sean Kingston. Whether it's fake news or not, there's still a message to it. It says Sean Kingston is about to lose a bunch of his royalties because some judge ordered that his assets at the record label be frozen and all the checks turned over to some jewelry company. You know when a lie is out there, if they tell the lie long enough, it starts to become true, or people start to believe that it's true. Sean Kingston's mom is a big part of what he does, and Mama Kingston is very wise when it comes to business. I don't think she'll have Sean out here. Plus, the story said the jewelry company is mad about $41,000 worth of jewelry, but the court ordered $300 and something thousand, awarded $300 and something thousand to the jewelry company from his royalties. That's right there is nonsense. The funny thing about it though is the comment section, because the comment section, you saw a lot of Jamaican in the comment section. I'm wondering, like, when are we ever gonna stop this? Jamaicans are so hateful towards each other. All you see in the comment section was, oh, him still alive, big fat batty boy, that one hit wonder. I mean, they dogged him in the comment section. One hit wonder, right? At least he was a one hit wonder. You never had a hit. You know what I'm saying? Always hating on people that's doing better than you. Sean just bought a mansion in Jamaica and flew in a Benz and a Porsche. So he can't be that broke. But half of the people on social media that's hating on him, his own people, that's hating on him. I remember. No, I don't. That's yeah. That's half of the people that's hating on him. They don't have half of what he has. They've never done half of what he's done, and they've never been to half the places around the world that this youth been. But they sit there and tear him down. Our people is like them wait for say anything that they could spin into bad news. Good news don't sell. It's bad news that sells. And that's what everybody wants to hear. Even the people who say they support good, they jump on bad news only. So yeah, we are some crab in a barrel, nasty ass people. Particularly Jamaicans are. You know what's that? When I was asking for donations on the channel, right? I was trying to do a maths. I said, okay, if the channel has 90,000 subscribers on it, and each person gives $1, do you know that's a whole lot of money? It could do a whole lot of things. Nope, not from my people. Big up to the ones that gave something, but I could tell you out of 90,000 people, I have 6 people that gave over $50. And I know because I write down everyone that gave. So 6 people gave over $50. One girl, she don't want her name mentioned, and she doesn't want a t-shirt either because she likes to stay low-key, she says. She doesn't want to be associated with social media because she's afraid of social media, she said. She'll watch this video and she'll know herself. But other than that, I have 5 t-shirts I gotta mail out. Autographed t-shirts, because that was the deal. If you give more than $50, you get an autographed t-shirt mailed to you from SouFLo. It wasn't about selling a t-shirt for $50. It was about just seeing who's supporting the thing. And there are people out there who've been asking for the t-shirts and telling me to go set up a website and sell merchandise from it, and they'll support it and all that. So big up to those kinds of people with that mind frame. But majority of our people, though, are some real crab in a barrel people. They hate their own. They don't support their own at all. Like one idiot came on the channel and he's talking about, so you're doing vlogging for, it's all about the money, huh? It's not for the love of the people. 1,700 videos I gave you for free. 1,700 videos I gave you for free. May I say it again? 1,700. Matter of fact, it's 1,700 and something. 1,700 videos I gave you for free. 1,700 and change. And you're offended after me giving you 1,700 videos for free that I asked for some donations to help to further the channel. And I actually told you what it's about. Like, to change up the scenery. You see me traveling other places, doing more things, so the videos get more interesting. You would rather tune in every day, soak up all the free shit, and then talk about support. Y'all some real crab in a barrel ass people. That's what I'm saying. For the people who do give, and listen, I never put a price on how much I wanted you to give. I didn't put a price on how much I wanted you to give. I said, if you can give $1, give $1. Anybody can dig up 4 quarters out of their couch, out of their ashtray. And that's the example that I gave in the video. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't asking anybody to give $50. I wasn't asking anybody to give $20. I wasn't asking anybody to give any specific amount. I was just saying, like, if everybody gave $1. The funny thing is, our next boy now I talk about transparency. Like, why? Oh, he's doing it. Why doesn't he do it on an app that's more transparent? When black people doing business and black people come to support you, they want to see your books. They want to see your business ID number. They want to see your tax papers. They scrutinize. They want to know your income, how much you make. When they go to the white man store or the Chinaman store, they don't care about how much a Chinaman make. They pass the big Benz outside. They pass his fancy house out there, so they go right to his business and spend all their money anyways. But for them to spend $1 at your store, they want to see all your paperwork and all your verifications. Me nah beg nobody nothing. Understand? I get it. I get it. And I mean I get it. Like, I know how to get up and get money. One other E that I talk about, I won't send him a dime. Get up and go look a job. My son right here.
Your job is YouTube.
My job is YouTube, Brad?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't do occupational therapy?
And that.
Okay. So, no, my fun is YouTube. My passion is YouTube. But people get mad when you turn your passion into money. Your own, that's what I'm saying. That's the crab in a barrel mentality of our people. They get mad when they see you turn your passion into money and they can't do it. Like, they sit at home, they would love to have that extra income. And they watch you grind, and you're like 400 subscribers, everybody is your friend. 4,000 subscribers, you start getting enemies. 50, 60, 70,000 subscribers, the enemies roll out in masses. Oh, they told me and them tell me and baby say, what they say, babe, we must say, between you and your wife,
you must be
you must say rich now off of YouTube. Nah, send no $1. Like, that kind of mentality right there. But they wake up every day and they expect content from you, right? Like, we don't have kids to take care of. Like, we don't have a family. Like, we don't have bills. Like, we don't have... Yo, these people are funny. And the sad shit is, this is a mentality of...
A whole set of people.
A whole set of people. And I see it predominantly with my Jamaican people. Like, they really love to hate each other. It is sad and sick as hell. So when time people say them stay away from Jamaican people, I don't blame them. I don't blame them because anywhere Jamaican people, they look like mix up there. Hatred is there. There like ain't no sense of brotherhood. You don't see dancehall music gone to foreigners because we can't hold our own thing together. We can't even look past the bull crap to collaborate 2 songs.
And be supportive.
And be supportive.
Actually buy the music instead of talking BS.
Yeah, a lot of them talk. That's another thing. A lot of them, there's so many examples out there to show you that me not lie. I'm not telling lies. A crab in a barrel thing run our thing. Enough people will tell you right away, yo, hey boy, stop mentioning cartel name, yo, make him look bad. Or, stop mentioning Mavado name. Make Mavado put out a single. Or make him put out an album. Go and look at Nielsen SoundScan and you'll see how much he sold. Big artists like that. Look how much Alkaline sold. Look how much Vibes Cartel sold.
Popcorn just drop an album.
Popcorn just drop an album. Go look at how much the album sold. Yet still you'll have 1 million people out there telling you which part of your mother to go up under, right? Because they are unruly for life. And these the same people that'll tell you how much them shoes cost, and how much them red bottoms cost, and how much them top cost, and them this much that, and you can't spend $10 on your favorite artist that you look like you would kill people for, huh? The numbers are out there. Man sell 200 copies in a week, or not even 200, 130 something copies in a week. I'm not saying that's how much he sold. I'm saying go look at the numbers because that's the kind of numbers that dancehall and reggae artists do, and that's shameful. Other genres of music do hundreds of thousands. We do 150, and it gets you to a #1 spot in the dancehall or reggae section. Sad as hell. And that's the kind of love we have for each other. Yeah? Alright, man. That's what I'm come to talk about this morning. Not to be a damper, but we going in here to do some business. What we are gonna do, babe?
Not talking about it.
Alright. I'm glad I asked her because I was just gonna blurt to talk, but me now I'm better. Alright? Just know we out here living life and making moves. And if you stick to the channel, you're just gonna see us continue to get better regardless because, what? Good people out there that do support us even though there's a lot of crab in a barrel going on. Alright, big up and bless up on yourself, man. Have another progressive, productive day. I'm out here with my woes, having fun and enjoying life, even though it's a bun some people. But that's how you burn your enemies. You get up every day and you smile. You get up every day and you be happy and you make sure your day is good. Yeah? They hate to see that, boy. Alright, I'm out. Peace. Say bye, Kai Kai. Say bye, Red.
Bye, SouFLo.